In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete an event. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location or enterprise selected, then choose Collaboration. On your Collaboration homepage, you will see a list of your upcoming events. To edit one of these events, click on that event. Now I can change any of this information. I could edit the dates. I could give a start and end time. This is a party, so maybe I'll put it starts at 4 p.m. and it ends at 7 p.m. If you have a multi-day event, you can click this arrow and have the event only show up on one day on the calendar. I'm going to go ahead and leave this at all dates. And maybe I want to add a note like, bring your ugly Christmas sweaters. If you don't want to save these changes, click Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now those changes have been saved. After you create an event, a new tab will appear at the top. When I first created it, all you could see were Settings and Shares, and now there's a Broadcast tab. When you share an event, that event comes up on people's calendar. When you broadcast an event, that event is emailed to them. Because I made changes, I want to go ahead and broadcast this event. So I'm going to click on Broadcast and then choose the Broadcast button. When you choose Broadcast, your event will be emailed to anyone you have shared this event with and who has entered a valid email address into their account. So I have shared this event with 30 people. There were 9 emails sent because only 9 people had a valid email. 8 of those were employees and 1 was a user. That's how you can edit an event and share those changes with your employees. To exit out of this, click Close. There is one other way you can access your event information. If you go to the top menu bar and click Events, you'll be taken to your events calendar. Right now, I have 2 Christmas parties entered. One of them is a duplicate. So I'm going to go ahead and delete one of those Christmas parties. I'll click on Christmas Party. And notice how this one doesn't have any of those changes we just made. That's because this is the duplicate. So this is the one I want to delete. If you don't want to delete this event, click Close. I do, so I'm going to select Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this event. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that event has been deleted. I can edit and delete events either from this event calendar page or from the Collaboration homepage if they're upcoming events. Check out the next video to learn how to use your events calendar.